Hi friends, welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we're gonna make nature wands. Now all you need is you need to head outside, grab some sticks, some leaves, maybe some 4-leaf clovers if you can find them. Then you'll need some yarn and scissors, okay? That's all you'll need. So the first step is after you gather everything from outside your stick, and it's really fun if it's kind of in the shape of a Y, because then you can make a wider set, a wider wand. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it around the stick so that it creates spaces for you to weave in those other pieces of nature that you find. Okay, so maybe leaves, like I said, the 4-leaf clovers, things like that. So weave your yarn around, okay, make it go in and out and whatever you want it to look like, and then take the nature pieces and put it inside the yarn so it sticks together. Then you have your nature wand ready to go, ready for play. Well, this has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.